Hello there, and welcome to another NX demo. Today we're going to be talking about some new updates for our algorithmic feature, specifically our logic editor. First things first, I'm just going to demonstrate that this is the 1953 version, so a little bit older, but just for the sake of showing some of the new functionality that we have in future updates. So first we're going to go into the edit definition, wait for that to load, and then we're going to focus in on this uParameter function here. So say we want to change the node out with a number. So we'll drop that in, and then we'll move this around just to make things easier to see here. Add a 5, just arbitrarily. Move this up just so we can look at the connections going on. So if we want to change out these connectors and we click, it gives us a red X. So in order to actually change the connection here, we're going to have to delete the connector off of the uParameter. So if we select that, delete it, you'll notice that the downstream connector from min to the scaling factor has also been lost. So we want to avoid having to rebuild downstream connections. And so if we rebuild those, and then additionally, if you delete the uParameter node entirely, you still lose that min to scaling factor connection. So going to move on over to the newer version here. All right, so here we are in the newer environment. Again, just to show, we're going to go to that about NX. You can see it's the 22.12 version, so more of our newer updates have been implemented. We're going to go back into that algorithmic feature, edit the definition, focus back in on that uParameter. Way, just so we can see again. And we'll bring our number back in. Again, we'll just put a 5. But now, as you can see, the uParameter connector turns blue. So when you're hovering over, it'll say, oh, you want to delete this connection. If you click on it, it will remove that connection, but still maintain your downstream connector. And again, you can transfer it back to the uParameter, again, getting that blue highlighted line on your connector. Now, if you delete the full node of uParameter, you can see over here that min max to the scaling factor connector has been preserved.